hold it. Hey.
Oh, hi.
Wow.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Oh my gosh. Oh no, what did they do? No. Wow, I didn't know she was so skinny.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh my gosh.
Can't wait to see Rachel.
I
We're
can't
gonna
wait to
have.
show you.
When she came in, she couldn't go walk. She was loaded with fleas.
Yeah, I heard she wasn't even able to stand up the first
Right.
3 days.
Yeah.
Look at this. You're slipping.
Hi, pretty girl.
Look from the top.
Woo.
Oh my gosh, I was not expecting.
Yeah,
The best.
she is
Yeah.
She's
amazing.
such a sweetheart.
She's a really great
Can you
girl.
believe that someone let her get like this? I mean, what?
Unfortunately, yeah.
Right.
Now they're in
35 pounds.
kilograms.
Kilograms.
So 70 pounds.
70 pounds, okay. So what do you think is a healthy weight for her? 100, 130?
Yeah, I'd say about 120, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for
Oh,
sure.
good. I'll make sure I send you guys a lot of pictures.
Yes,
and
please
videos.
do. Oh, sorry.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Oh, look at her go.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank
You guys take care.
Take care.
She's like fresh air, sunshine. Smell the flowers, baby.
You feel good.
Absolutely.
You need your
She
food.
deserves it.
Our first carry together. Let's go home. I just want to thank everybody at SOBSC. Thank you for the amazing care that you gave this beautiful dog, and just thank you very much. We're very grateful, and I know so is our new dog that we don't know what to name yet, but we will soon. SOBSC, SOBSC, SOBSC. What a place to be. Take her on a very short walk, nothing too crazy. We're not going to do Everest tonight, but going pretty fast. Oh, good job. Good job. Maybe that's it. I think that's all for you. I think that's all. Let's go back. Okay, sweetie. We're home. So all the dogs are out. I'm letting them get some energy out. It's obviously very late. It's almost 10 o'clock, or maybe it is 10 o'clock now. And I'm gonna introduce them now. There she is. I put some of the big dogs away because she was scared to get out of the car. And now I'll start letting them out. Good girl. Clyde. Clyde, come here. Roger. Good job. Now, went into feeding so that they know we're a family. Now we're gonna eat together. You are getting a lot of this today. A lot of this. This is all for you. There you go. Oh, she has the heart of Tony. The Tony heart. Look, you're home. Oh. You're home now. You're gonna be so big. Huh? Can you see? Fine, get down. Don't teach bad manners, please. A long day, huh, Papi? Was it a long day, sweetheart? It's all yours. You're gonna sleep with me. Pom-Poms doesn't even realize that we got a new dog today. Pom-Poms has no idea that this dog has never been here before. Pom-Poms thinks this is Rosa. She doesn't even sniff her. This is too cute. Look at this. Are you kidding? Come on. Come on, guys. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Come on, guys. Come on. I feel so good. I needed this feeling of remembering why I'm doing what I do. I know, now I know, you know, I needed that, this beautiful girl. I like the name Mildred, Millie for short. Let's call her that for now. It's an English name. Mildred, hello Mildred. You know, she was that pinch, that nudge, that reminder. Oh, I've been in such a sad place. Now I remember, you know, I feel so blessed that she's here. Not even an hour, she just finished her first dinner with the entire pack. It's gonna be great. I'm not gonna let her down, guys. I love you.